linear until like, would you start with you finish with, or opposite?
What you start with, you finish with. I think what happened is that people generated the first three by just coming up with arbitrary combinations, and then they realized they were stuck with the other three, and so people started, they started doing reverse of what they saw above. There's only 6 possible orders, so it doesn't matter which order you go. I mean, literally.
I think what she's talking about is ABBA.
Yeah.
But ABBA that's a block randomization counterbalancing procedure. And this is a between subjects design because each subject is experiencing a different diet.
Okay.
So we can't do counterbalancing procedure.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going K.
No, it's registering.
You're going, oh, so it wasn't, you weren't just throwing out another random condition that I hadn't put in the study. L, X, E, D. No, only A, B, and C can go up here. Those are the only ones we can use. And then B, A, C. It literally does not matter which order you put those up there. Okay, now, let's see if we can get people started, because we're almost done with class. We got like 3 minutes. So, now that I have these different blocks, what do I do with that information? What if I tell you, person number 1 weighs 313 pounds. Where do I write 313 if I'm using BCA?
Control.
Program D.
Okay. Program B. Because the first person that walks in the door is going to go with whichever one is first. Okay. The next person weighs 256 pounds. Where does 256 go? The control. Okay. The next person weighs 288. Now, note, if you wrote down on your paper the first order we did, which is also fine, if you wrote A, B, C, okay, just stop for a second. If you wrote A, B, C, then that's not the right order for you,
No.
right?
No.
If A, B, C is what you wrote, if A, B, C was your first order, where does 313 go? That's the first person. Goes in A. The next person is 256. Where do they go?
B.
B. And the next person who walks in is 288. They would go here in C. So depending on which orders of the blocks you pick, that's going to dictate where people go. So let's stop there. We'll continue with our discussion next time. Make sure you come to class because we'll finish up doing the problem set and I'll tell you a little bit more about the structure of the test. And our first exam is a week from today, right? A week from today.